Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Vitalco, car vacuum, portable cordless, 18,000 PA, high-power car vacuum cleaner with 6,000 mAh battery. There are features include powerful 3-mode suction. This cordless handheld vacuum features a brushless motor delivering up to 18,000 PA suction. With 3 adjustable speeds, this handheld vacuum cordless is perfect for cleaning dust, crumbs, hair, and more in your car or home. Long-lasting cordless operation. The cordless rechargeable small vacuum cleaner features 3 2,000 mAh batteries for 30 minutes runtime. With USB-C charging, this mini vacuum cleaner is ideal for quick cleanups between drives or full vehicle detailing sessions. Lightweight and portable design. Designed for mobility, this portable cordless handheld vacuum weighs under 1.5 pounds and fits easily in a glove box or drawer. Use this portable vacuum for car, home, office, camping with ease, and store it in the included velvet bag. Complete cleaning kit. The car vacuum cleaner includes multiple nozzles, a cleaning cloth, a small brush, and a storage bag. Great for detailers and drivers who want a clean, organized vehicle using a small vacuum cleaner cordless solution. Washable HEPA filter and attachments. Includes a washable HEPA filter and useful accessories for tight spots and upholstery. This cordless dust busters captures fine dust, keeping your cordless handheld vacuum performing at its best. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.